Awal Muhammad, sports historian. Kotoko versus Kwara. Kotoko Nigeria history. Let's say.
Aha. Oh, you Kotoko ankasa.
You quite crap.
You can say Nigerian clubs ankasa muntimi Ghanaian clubs.
Nigeria for no.
Yeah.
Yenya points about yeah.
Momentum no. Ewo Kotoko side. We na be kaya last season. That 2 seasons ago. Yenya media ma eliminated Remo Stars. Ewo Champions League. Any yenya Dreams FC or share Rivers United. Ewo CAF Confederations Cup.
Nigeria for
yes. Ewo video group no. Media ma Dreams yomo ewa ha. And almost share Dreams ewo away. But fortunately for Dreams etimi top that group no. Etimi to so echo semi-final. Unfortunately we lose to Zamalek. Usa Kotoko there yenya some couple of times Kotoko against Wiki Torres. Kotoko against Dolphins. Kotoko against Canopiles. Kotoko against Enugu Rangers. Yes. Kotoko, yes. So it's like a idea. Yeah. Clubs the official Nigerian clubs are more. Well, even Enugu Rangers they look at the group. And no CAF Confederation and Kotoko has a group. Kotoko shomo 3-0 and almost share Kotoko 2-1. So head to head. Kotoko shomo 3-1 ewa harada. 3-1. So head to head and Kotoko they go final. Okay, Wiki Torres 4-1. And Kotoko ball 2-2 ewa Bauchi. 4-1 ewa Babayara. The Queen scored on 2 occasions. Okay, Kotoko need Dolphins. Yebo game no. Nsuo toye the following day Monday. No Kofani the kind Kotoko 2-0. 4-1 Prince Anochi Eshe on goal. Sulama Abdullah the late. Yami Fani Crazy. Oh, that Kotoko Timi Bemu. Okay, Francisco Fi Etika Bequin and of course Kwabnayaro and Kotoko were able to beat the Nigerian team. Mika Dolphins. Kotoko, the latest team to play against Kotoko from Nigeria was Canopiles.
Yeah, Canopiles.
Yes.
Recently, Dr. Kwame Chi.
That was 2020. You know. Okay, so Kotoko, Eko lose 3-2. Ewo Honum. And Kotoko be show 2-0. Ewa ha. Mekai, this former Wow Stars player Okobo Karela no. No. Fear bisa. No Richard Atta. Finidi.
Except for more than Mokai. Until I was.
Mekai. Not say Okobo Libya. Yes.
Was our son.
Mekai.
He was part of.
Yeah. Who said that day?
2020.
Yes, 2020. Who said Nabi Tamo boy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okobekai Richard Atamo, Habib Mohammed Nelka team no. Spirito Zaza Ajimambedu. Yeah. Okay. Na team no Jordan Pokumu wom. Oh, said I didn't hear. Is it the Kucho? Is it Kucho? Matthew Kevin Ando.
Yeah, Matthew
Kevin Ando. Yes.
Yeah.
Ave Makaidi.
Matthew.
They not me here Matthew and
Matthew and Kujo and them confusing. Where Matthew
Kevin Ando. On share the Facebook on that day. Emma Richard Atta, Eddie Bako Town, Emma Nikoye 2. So Bakaya Kotoko. Hey, Canopiles free.
Okay.
And a few in Sukotoko. Sababishia Kwara United. Na Kwara na kaza omunye team omo bobre bia ona.
Omo bobre
bia. Afi no mo GFA Cup. Omunje omu league da.
Sa.
Me no ka say go mo hye omu league ase. Omo bo 4 games. And omo bo draw mienu. And omo win baako. And omo lose baako.
Is omo da saying.
Omo da 12 on the league lock.
Omo bre.
20 team league omo da 12.
Omo bre.
Omo 5 points after 4 games. Anyway, Omuni worry Wolves. Ebo goalless draw.
It's Ghana and Caribbean come here Basaki Holy Stars.
Yeah, teams are more
Basaki Holy Stars. We are no disrespect.
But yes, and yes, you boom one with
Ghana about Basaki so that for.
So what it means, Kotoko Kwara United, yes, I Kotoko show Musa Police. But caveat in a game. Was a previous year's thing in our games in about so Kumasi.
We are couldn't
this time around. I couldn't cry.
You bring your numbers, Neddy.
And we are number 1. Number 2, Kwara might get some edge. Bisa yes, you're born to Ghana. By Kumasi and Kumasi favorite gown. Nanka Ubeka said numbers in all the same. Kotoko should be able to get the results. And unfortunately, the last time Kotoko played Africa in Accra, Kotoko couldn't win a single game.
Yeah, I think Danaya time now.
Yeah, because Kotoko lost against Al Hilal, Accra. And Kotoko lost against ES Setif Accra because now Kotoko Champions League and omo drop back configuration and against ES Setif omo lose yen. So 2 games are Kotoko abo Accra in Africa. Kotoko nyan win. The last time Kotoko played an African game enye Accra enye Kumasi was 2009. That was against Ittihad Kemiset of Morocco. No, Alex Asamoah Makwekwe Mone Sabulum Kumudi Ejuma Emma Kotoko share almost 3-1. And away almost switch Kotoko 2-0 ready Kotoko 3. So that was the last time before Accra because okay after the Bijayas, the Umas, the Zesco United, the Kariobangi Sharks na Ebasu Kumasi. So this time around, Esa said, yeah, Ghana, you need a sports council nearby, yet near Yenemayi, Babaya Sports Stadium, Ghana, CAF, and Jian to say the game no, Equakra. And only the unfortunate incident that the Kotoko supporters almost were Accra no any opportunity. Yeah, no one near the Kotoko, but I'm not say and I do not Jitum say, Kagame no Basu Kumasi, I can know the numbers near them, a bedrosso, and I also a favorite Ghana. Players, that confidence now, just to play the game. But let's see what happens when Kotoko play against Kwara United.
Yeah, for now, what's here?
Yeah.
Because our way you are divina Kase. You bought 0-0 or had a couple 1-1 away guru.
Oh, away go to Africa.
Europe, no way.
Away go to the away go to the because Sandals, away guru, and Ali, Champions League.
But what's your candid view about that?
No, Kotoko should be able to get the result at least 2 or 3-0. Make sure say avoid mistakes. Don't concede. Get 2 or 3 goals. You are good to go. Kwara United shouldn't be a big team. Be our because of worry Kotoko.
If you're that 12 for Nigeria,
yeah. Kwara United shouldn't be the team our makers of worry Kotoko. So I think say SSA Kotoko it mean making sure say omobenya the result now. Omobepin akomani.
Yeah. The next header near the
like young header we are that way. And only when we reach the bridge, we know how to cross it. For now, near banning Kwara United.
Kwara.
So all the attention, the focus should be geared towards the Kwara game. And who's the first in Obo Africa? Obo first leg. This will be a 2 weeks and Sanobo second leg. But I say 1 week in the Danton. 1 week. Yes, your ball game is Sunday. The following week, Kotoko come back to Accra. Come back to Nigeria.
We know almost next month. Now second prelims.
Yes, and also so by second month now, by second March and no by October. Near we are a no more group stages so. But near Tennessee, you hear what happens game, but when you're very, very important, the first leg, very, very crucial. Say the medical can make sure say avoid conceding qualify 2 or 3 goals. Then Utiminya, what it means is you can manage the results our way. So if you get the results now attention has shifted to the next opponent. Okay. Probably a Wydad Athletic Casablanca free Morocco. So attention in
should be on Kwara
United.
How to down them
should be. All the attention should be on Kwara United.
Recently, Serki Abdul Karim Zito, you also about home one day.
Yeah, or your coach at least CAF Confederation or watching the team. At least all the dreams CAF Confederation. Now, first time, and you said, now, first time, Africa.
First time.
You know, the Mukoyi Milo, the Mukoyi Kalon FC, who did well group stage. Because the group you can name wedding. Ghana Reverse United, Club African, but you take the group, eliminated Stade Malien. Before losing out to Zamalek. So, Coach Karim Zito experience came. You heard him say, for that experience, and the tactical ingenuity, and throw into that game, Ebebaso, Yamiboa, Sandia, Kotoko, and the Kwara United, Ebebone. And Major is a Ghana for the pre anywhere. Kotoko so say ubetimi Kwara free ne wo ka no ye hwe ni say ka eno no betimi abaso ananka Kotoko ni che Kotoko yi Kwara free na o hia work na game no baso Kumasi at least the atmosphere the euphoria no be great
so the yen just a game no mra
all the attention no there see Kwara United so na ye hwe so Kotoko betimi nya that good result na ehia no eno ne the most important thing Kotoko here for now.
All right, Awal Muhammad, the sports historian, that's it. Black Stars and Commodity, be doing that for
Black Stars. Yeah, wake up, you know, so 2 matches near Sheba Quine.
I can't know Nigeria for.
Oh, my medical catch almost your more mobile repair of
Afcon,
near report more wake up.
No. Uru ya rasi. Ya misha. Ebe zaba. Podi nso wa ha, podi wa.